Hey guys and gals, how you doing? This is Rhonda Kay. I trust that you're having an excellent day. It's a beautiful day in the park. I believe I'm the only one out here, so I have to look around. Anyway, I want to go through an exercise with you because it's really important. We work full time and we have to schedule in when we're going to make extra money. Just like if you go and get your part-time job, and maybe you already have a part-time job along with your full-time job, you have to work that in. So I want you to do an exercise that I do with a lot of my mentoring and coaching clients, which is, when I first did it, because I had the wrong thought, I just was like, this is overwhelming. I'm never going to be able to, that's the wrong response. What I want you to do is I want you to get out a sheet of paper. I have a template too you can use, but you can make it yourself. You can go and get you a daily planner and make sure it has all of the hours in the day, 24 hours. What you're going to do is Monday through Friday, because generally the majority of us work Monday through Friday. If not, your work day may be Monday and Tuesday off, or Tuesday, Wednesday off, or what have you, but you get the idea. You take the 5 days that you're working and you map that out. So from the time you get up to the time you go to sleep. And then you're going to X out 8 hours for sleep, if that's what you get. If not, you wiggle around. But 8 hours for sleep, 8 hours for work. That's 16 hours. That leaves you 8 hours each day that you're working, Monday through Friday. Then, once you've done that, then you have to also decrease. How long does it take me to commute? So if that's an hour or 2 hours a day, you got to take that off. So now you're down to 6 hours a day. Do you see what I mean? Do you run errands? Whatever it is that you're doing Monday through Friday, within that 24-hour period, you got to write that down and you'll come up with the final number that you have. So for me, Monday through Friday, I have about 4 hours that I can allocate. That's my 4 hours of discretionary time. Isn't that amazing? Okay, then you want to do Saturday. So those of us who work, we got things, we are already planning. What are we going to do on Saturday? Do we clean? Do we go grocery shopping? What are we doing? Are we going out of town? Whatever that is. But for your template that you can work with, write down those hours. So for me, on a Saturday, I have about 15 hours. That's my bare minimum. I haven't put in my shopping time, my time with my children, movie time, anything that I'm doing. I haven't put in anything. So I have about 15 hours I can work with. And then on Sunday, same thing. I have about 9 hours. So I want you to do that. Write it down. God said in his word, write the vision down. All right? You have to write your vision down because it will be front and center for you. And then everything about you, when you write it down, you will follow it. Yes, you will, because you're going to see it and you're going to start getting revelation knowledge. Anyway, so for me, for 7 days, I have about 44 hours of discretionary time that I still need to schedule. And I need to pencil in when I'm going to set aside time to work on my online business. Okay? So generally what I do, because it's a lot of work, it's fun, but it's a lot of work to post a video every day or to post images every day on social media. However, you can automate. We talk about that in our step-by-step guide. You can automate, so you can get all of your content together and then you can schedule it out. You can schedule out your videos, what time that you want them to go out on a daily basis. You can schedule out your images. Okay, so that's going to help you as well. So you'll want to operate in automation. Yes. Another thing that I do is I automate some of my emails, but on a daily basis, I do send a live email, a relevant email on a daily basis. That only takes you 5 minutes, but you want to put it on your schedule. 5-10 minutes a day, I'm sending an email. You have to do this so you can see where are the pockets of time that you can put in to work towards your business so you can make that extra money that you are desiring. Yes? So that's all I have for you, just to write down what you're doing. And I just did a little thing for myself here. And this is what I follow. So I have videos that are being scheduled out. And then you can also tell there's one where there was 3 days went by really quick. I didn't prepare like I should have, so I didn't post any videos. So I have to get back on track. You're going to do that as well. Don't be discouraged. Don't beat yourself up. This is a learning process for us. Yes and yes. So that's all I have for you today. Schedule your time. Schedule your time for your business, for your family, all of that. Put it down. And before you know it, you'll have a schedule that you will be sticking to. And you'll see the fruit of your labor. Yes and yes. All right. So many blessings. Click the link in the video description so you can see the learn and earn system that I'm telling you about. So you can see different things that's going to help you with automating your business online, and also how you can make money online, right? Because that's the common denominator that we have here together. Yes and yes. So many blessings, and I will see you over in your email.